Hello, thank you so much for returning to my channel. We have a designer DIY Thredup box, and this is what we're gonna open today. I am so excited because I've been waiting for this box for a long time. It took them about a week to just pack and ship it to me, and another week to get to me. This one is from Suwanee, Georgia, and I've heard good things about that. And I think my last one came from Arizona, and I received a lot of things that were damaged, so they did not end up on my Poshmark closet. They're somewhere in a corner waiting to get repaired, but I have no time, so I think I'm just gonna donate them. So without further ado, let's dive into this box. I don't remember how much it was. I think about $140. I'm just gonna pop it here on the screen. I'm sure I paid $10 for the shipping, and there is tax involved. So I'm just gonna calculate and pop it here on the screen, the cost of goods. We're supposed to have 7 items in here. It's a DIY box. I don't expect much, but I'm hoping that I'm getting some good pieces to at least make my money back. It's a gamble. Very nicely packed. And I see some bohemian print. Oh, nice. This is a coat by Millie. I think this is an old label by Millie. And it looks like it's a cotton, lightweight, structured coat with jumbo snaps, has closure, and it's a size 4. Size 4, it seems very little. Size 4, if I remember correctly. I used to work in New York next to a Millie store, although they didn't have this kind of tags. So size 4 would be an extra small. And it's not stretchy, which is a bummer because it's a strictly extra small, so it's a little bit difficult to sell small things. At least I can speak for my closet. My extra small sizes are kind of sitting a long time, but I like this. I don't see anything that's wrong with it. It seems like it's new. Yeah, even the pockets are sewn. And it has a very nice satin lining. I hope there's nothing wrong on the interior. No. Well, I'm happy so far. The next one, it's a very heavy sweater. It's more like a, It has short sleeves. It has some ruching at the back, 3-button closure with a high neckline, and this is by Alice and Olivia. The lining is 95% silk and 5 spandex, and then the actual sweater is 100% wool. I just hope there is no holes in it. I know that when you look at it, you can't really see nothing, but then when I post, I see all sorts of weird things like holes and rips and stains, and you know how it is if you're a reseller. My guess is they refused this because I don't see a size. Would I have picked this up? I don't know. It's a bit dated. Seems like a very good quality, but it's going to be very difficult to photograph. I hate photographing black things. They don't look like anything on a hanger or as a flat lay. It's not easy to sell, and like I was mentioning in my other videos, if somebody's browsing, you have really 2 seconds to grab their attention, and the best thing to do in grabbing their attention is have a well-lit and a very clear photo. So hopefully I can find a stock photo for this. I see 3 pairs of shoes, you guys, and I have another sweater here. And let's get it over with the clothing. This is, I think, another wool sweater by Stella McCartney, made in Italy, and again, the reason they refused this over at Thredup is probably because of the size. There is no size tag that I can see. And usually the designer things, they have the size tags on the shoulders on the interior, but I don't see it here. I found the size tag. It says 35% silk and 35% wool and 30% cashmere. Oi. Okay, so can you see the little hole over here? There you go. Oh my God, I was hoping, but let's just hope it's just that one little hole, because I can fix that. And this is a good brand. Stella McCartney is a good brand, and cashmere and silk and wool combination is kind of nice. So I have one more thing that I want to show you, and then we're gonna continue with the shoes. I don't know what this is. It seems like a necklace. Oh, I think I know what this is. This is a Claire V chain strap for bags, but you can wear it also as a necklace. No. Can you? Yeah, you can. Wow. Okay. I think I know about these. And if I'm not mistaken, this is a rare color. I've seen these things. I have to research it. I'm just gonna pop it here on the screen and tell you how much these are going for. It has Claire V, it has the brand name stamped right here. And these are carabiner hooks. Nice, I'm happy about this one. And the first one that we have here is a pair of Fendi pumps. Very cute, but they seem so little. I think these are maybe a 5, maybe a size 5. Yeah, 35.5, it's just a size 5. But they look so cute, oh my God. Such a bummer it's not my size. Very good condition, I don't see any major flaws. The only thing that it needs is gonna be a little bit of polish with some Dr. Martens leather balsam. I see like very, very slight scuffs. I don't know if you can notice. And the heel is in very good condition. There's no damage to these shoes. Let's hope I find somebody who wants these, because these are so amazing. The color is like olive and pretty neutral. The only thing, the Fendi stamp on the interior is faded on this shoe. But they're stunning, although they're a small size, but I'm happy about them. Next up is a pair of Prada kitten heels. The size is 40.5, which means I think a 10. They're so adorable. It's a gray suede leather and they're in very good condition. The tips of the shoes look very good. The bottom is just in very good condition. I think these have been very gently worn, maybe once or twice. I don't see anything wrong with them. Very nice scalloped front. I really don't see anything wrong with them. Good for me. So it's the first time I received Prada heels in any of the boxes from Thredup. and I'm pretty happy about these ones. And the last pair of shoes are from Paul Green. I'm not crazy about this brand. I never pick it up actually because it seems like every time I find it, everything is dated, and so are these shoes. They are in good condition as I see, and this is the bottom, and the size, I think it's a 9 if I'm not mistaken, although is upside down. I don't know, it's weird. 9 or 6. I'm wearing a 6.5, so let me try to pop them on and see. No, this is a size 9. This is not a 6. I didn't think it's that small, so wow, they're pretty comfortable. Okay, suede leather, and it has some gathering at front and a buckle closure at back, and there is a snap. Okay, interesting. Made in Austria. Okay, that's why they put them in the boxes, because it says a 6, but this is not a size 6, it's a size 9. So I am just going to post them as such because I don't want to deceive anybody, but I will disclose it in the listing, of course. Open front, great transition shoe. The spring is coming faster than you would believe. And a nice stacked leather heel, and I believe they've been worn very little. Okay, oh, I'll take it. Well, it's a classic shoe, I guess. So that's it. That was the last pair. So would I have picked anything from this box up in the thrift store for this amount per piece? Yeah, probably. They are good materials, good brands, and they're not as damaged as I thought. The only damage that I've seen so far while talking to you and showing you these items was that little hole in the Stella McCartney sweater, which I can fix. I'm just going to disclose the flaw, and somebody will buy it for a few dollars. So thank you so much for being here, and I am so honored to let you know that I just reached my 2,000 subscriber, and thank you so much for everybody watching. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please do so if you like my videos, and let me know down in the comments what your opinion about this box is, and if you got any of their boxes, let us know what your experience was with them. As usual, if you're interested in any of these pieces, please head on to my closet. I will put the information and the links down below in the comments or here on the screen. You can also view my other unboxings if you're interested in this playlist right here. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!